Hey everyone, welcome back to ShortGATE. Today we are going to take a detailed look at one of the simplest and oldest CPU scheduling algorithm, that is first come first serve. It's an easy concept but plays a crucial role in understanding how operating system works. So let's dive in and explore how first come first serve works and when it's used. Let's see what is first come first serve. First come first serve is exactly what it sounds like. Processes are executed in the order they arrive. The first process to enter the queue gets the CPU first. It's like standing in line at a grocery store. The person who gets there first gets served first. It's a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm. How FCFS works in a simple step-by-step manner. Process arrive in the ready queue. The CPU picks the process that arrived first. That process runs until it's done. There is no interruption. After the process completes, the next one in the line starts executing. This continues until all processes are finished. Let's consider an example to see first come first serve in action. Suppose we have 4 processes arriving in the following order. P0 arrives at time 0 and its burst time is 5. For P1 arrival time is 1, burst time is 3. For P2 arrival time is 2, burst time is 8. And for P3 arrival time is 3 and burst time is 9. At time 0, process P0 is a ready queue, so it will execute completely as preemption is not there. Then it's execute for pipe time. At time 5, then the process P1 comes after the process P0. It will execute now for 3 times. All processes are in the ready queue by now. At time 8, process P2 will execute for 8 units. At time 16, process P3 will execute for 9 seconds. Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of FCFS. What are the advantages? It's simple to implement. It's easy to understand and execute. No starvation. Means every process gets a chance to execute since it's purely based on arrival time. And what are the disadvantages? The disadvantages are, despite its simplicity, FCFS has some significant drawbacks. Means convey effect. Longer process can delay shorter ones, causing inefficiency. Non-preemptive. Means once a process starts, it cannot be interrupted, leading a delay for other processes. What are the time complexity? The time complexity of FCFS is order of n, where n is the number of processes in the queue, since it processes each job in the order it arrives. There is no need to complex operations like sorting or comparison. In terms of performance, best case order of n when processes have similar burst time. For worst case, its time complexity is order of n square when longer process arrives before shorter ones, causing the convoy effect. And the average case is order of n, since the order of arrival directly influences the execution's order. I hope the breakdown of the first come first serve algorithm was helpful. If you enjoy the video, here's what you can do. Like the video if it helpful you understand FCFS. Subscribe to ShortGATE for more gate preparation content. Drop any questions or topics you want to learn next in the comments below. Thanks for turning in. In the next video, we will explore the shortest job first scheduling algorithm and how it differs from FCFS. Until then, keep practicing and together let's crack gate.